Ipili na naman tayo ng ating mga leader. So let me tell you my opinion about leadership. Leadership is a responsibility. It is an accountability to God. So first of all, ang leadership is over myself, which means it is self-government. Kasi kung hindi ko kayang i-govern yung sarili ko, wala akong discipline, wala akong control over myself, wala akong control over my wants, I will use leadership as power over people. Meaning to say na leader na ako, may freedom na ako to do whatever I want, even if it is a disadvantage to other people. So, unang-una, self-government, meaning to say na kaya kong kontrolin yung sarili ko. Alam ko kung ano yung righteous, alam ko kung ano yung evil. So, number one is self-government. Number two is being able to manage one's family or marriage. No? Unang-una, magaling ba tayo mag-lead ng family? Approve ba yung ating self-government sa pag-lead natin ng family? So kasi kung hindi tayo marunong mag-lead ng family, paano tayo mag-lead ng isang community? O paano tayo mag-lead ng isang bansa? Imposible, di ba? So when we choose a leader, examine natin yung kanyang ability to govern himself. So be very careful about leadership. It is something serious kasi if you choose the wrong leader, you will actually be taking the responsibility that is supposed to be his. Gusto ba natin yun?